Welcome to Still Moment Studio. My name's Paula. Today I'm going to be working on this little boy. For me, this is an heirloom piece. This is my son at 2 years old, so this is a special piece for me. I've enlarged it to a 12 by 16. I'm going to time-lapse this video with notations of the colors that I use and add some music. Thank you for joining me, and I hope you enjoy. Light layers of cadmium yellow and alizarin crimson to create a soft peach skin tone. And then a second value. Cadmium yellow and alizarin crimson with a little more red this time to give a rosy look. Cadmium yellow, alizarin crimson, and a little bit of blue for the first shadow. Light layer of yellow ochre over his hair, and then a few touches in his skin as well. Cadmium yellow, alizarin crimson, and ultramarine blue to finish off that shadow in the hands. The hair will be layers of deepening browns. First, burnt sienna, then burnt sienna mixed with burnt umber, burnt umber with occasional touches of alizarin crimson, ultramarine blue, or black to give natural variations in his hair tones. Burnt umber and black for the deepest values in the hair. And then lifting off with a little bit of water and a paper towel. Cobalt blue to fill in the entire shirt. And then a clean, damp brush to pull off paint on the light areas of the folds. Next, a medium value of cobalt blue. And finally, a cobalt blue with a little black. Cobalt blue on this shirt, and then a second value. A medium value of cobalt blue. And manipulating the folds with just a damp brush, and then the darkest value of cobalt blue to finish off. And again, cobalt blue with a little black for the darkest value. Lamp black, and back to cobalt blue for the stripe on his shirt. Ultramarine blue and lamp black for the shorts. And again, a clean, damp brush to pull off light areas in the folds, deeper values of ultramarine blue and lamp black. For the collar, lamp black with a little ultramarine blue in it. Alizarin crimson for the stripes. A first value and then a second value. Very soft shadow of yellow ochre with ultramarine blue. And then alizarin crimson. Burnt umber and black for the eyes, eyelashes, and eyebrows. And then cadmium yellow with alizarin crimson and a little bit of ultramarine blue or black sometimes to finish out the shadowing around the eyes and under the nose. Alizarin crimson and cadmium yellow for the lips, and then that same mixture with a little bit of black for inside of the mouth. Yellow ochre with ultramarine blue, splattering on with a toothbrush, and then the shadows will be ultramarine blue with a touch of yellow ochre, just the opposite, and again splattering with a toothbrush. Oxide of chromium, first one very light value and then a second value. Oxide of chromium with ultramarine blue, and then just a very soft second value of that, and then a shade of purple touched on the tips for the flowers. This is Russian sage in the background. It's a very silvery green plant with purple flowers. A light cadmium yellow flower, and then oxide of chromium stem and leaves. The twisted iron railing is lamp black, very light value, and then I will twist that every 4 centimeters. It'll come out and back in again, so I can just use a ruler right next to my painting. I need to scrub off what I've painted so far. Green does come off fairly well. And again, measuring out that twisted wrought iron. Or to sharpen up the straight lines, I can use a ruler and a paintbrush. Just don't use too much water when you do this so it doesn't sneak underneath your ruler. And to finish off, this little boy has painted his leg, his foot, and the sidewalk with his little toy paint roller. I hope you've enjoyed this video and the whole process of creating an heirloom piece. If you're interested in the paint colors I use or the brushes, I've left a link to my website down below and you can check that out. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe, and we'll catch you next time. Thanks for watching.